Okay, next part related to sets is operation on sets. Now, for the first thing over here is intersection. The first part is intersection of two sets. Now, suppose A and B are the two sets. The set of all common elements of the set A and B, now that is called as the intersection of the set A and B. Okay, so it is denoted by A intersection B. This is the symbol. A intersection B means the common elements. So suppose A is 1 3 5 7, okay, and B is 2 3 6 8. So the common element amongst them is, you can see, it is 3. Okay, so I'm going to write 1 3 5 7. Similarly, it will be 2 3 6 and 8. This common part, it belongs to both A and B. So I have written it over here. So A intersection B is 3. The definition of A intersection B is that it is a set of all x such that x belongs to A and, very important, x belongs to B. That means this 3 does not belong to A alone. It belongs to A as well as it belongs to B as well. That is the definition of intersection. So suppose you have one more example. A is this, B is this. Now by the Venn diagram, I have drawn A. The set A is 1, 3, 9, 11, 13. The set A includes everything. The set B also. So now what is A intersection B? Now A intersection B will be, what should be A intersection B? So A intersection will be the common elements. So common elements will be 1, 9, 11. It will be 1, 9, 11. But the set B is also the same. As you see, 1, 9, 11 and set B is also same. So A intersection B is equal to set B. Okay, because the elements are same. Consider the set B and consider A intersection B. So that means A intersection B is equal to set B. And can I say that the set B is a subset of A? Yes, I can clearly say. Suppose I give a question, write the subset of A. Then you can write it as 1, 9, 11. So I can also say that B is a subset of A. Then A intersection B is equal to the set B itself. Okay, so such questions might come in the exam. The sets will be given. You have to verify whether B is a subset of A and if A intersection B is equal to B or it is not equal to B. Okay, the next part is disjoint set. Okay, so disjoint, the word says that nothing is common in between them. So if you look at those two sets that are given, A is equal to 1 3 5 9 and B is equal to 2 4 8. Now there is nothing common in between them. So that I have drawn two separate sets. Now that means sets A and B are disjoint sets. Why? Because there is nothing common. No element is common between them. So they are disjoint sets. Okay. Next is union. Union means, now what is the meaning of union of set? So union means if there are, B is this. Now A union B means X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Now there's or in between. In intersection it was and. That is how the definition changes. Okay, now let's see. A is this, B is 0 3 5. Let's write A union B. A union B means everything. Whatever is there in A and whatever is there in B includes everything. So it is, you can write it as -1, -3, -5, 0, 3 and 5. All the elements I have included right from A and B as well. So that is A union B. A union B is equal to B union A. Okay, that means if you write A union B or B union A, the set will be same. You will get this answer. Now there is a question, write using the listing method. The Venn diagram is given. This is the Venn diagram and you have to write 10 things. The first is universal set. Okay, now let's look at the universal set. So first we'll write it, U is equal to. So what is U is equal to? You will include everything, the set A, B and all these numbers. So let's write it. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 as well as 12. Okay, so we've included everything in the universal set. Okay, all these numbers, A, set B and the universal, these three numbers as well. This is the universal set. This is we've done. Next we have to write the set A. Okay, let's write the set A. Then it will be A is equal to, you just write these numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. See, this is the set A. Include 8 and 10 as well, because they are also common. This is done. Now set B. So they'll include all these numbers. So set B is equal to, it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. So it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Make sure you are writing 8 and 10 in both set A and B, because it is intersection, means common. This is done. A union B. Set A union B will include, A union B means these, all these elements, A union B. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. All these numbers. Next they have, so this is done. Next is A intersection B. A intersection B is very easy. There are only two elements, 8 and 10. A intersection B is equal to 8, 10. Done. A intersection B is done. A complement. Now A complement means you have to consider the universal set U and the set A. This and this. Now whichever are common, you strike off. 2 is common, 4 is common, 6 is common. So 8 is also common. Next 10 is also common. The common ones you strike off. Rest everything you write down in the A complement. So the A complement will include 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 12. Okay, the common ones you will not write. The common ones in A and universal you will strike off. The remaining everything in the universal set is A complement. Next, A complement is done. Now we'll think of B complement. B complement is equal to, again consider the set B and the set universal set. The common ones you will strike off. Whatever is left in the universal set, that you will write. So you will not include 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. The remaining everything you will write. So B complement will be 2, 4, 6, 9, 11 and 12. This is done. Next we have to write A union B complement of that. Okay. In that case, just consider this A union B and universal set. Now consider these two, strike off the common ones. Okay. So A union B and universal set, which are the common ones? So this is 1, this is common, 2 is also common, 3 is common, next 4 is common, 5 is common, okay, 6 is also common, 7, 8, 10, 7, 8, 10. What is remaining? 9, 11, 12. So that is the answer. A union B and complement of that, the remaining is what? It is only 9, 11, 12. Okay, that is also done. Last is A intersection B, complement of that. So A intersection B, complement of that will be, again just look at those, A intersection B and universal set. So 8 and 10 is common, only 8 and 10. Rest everything you have to write. 8 and 10 you don't have to write because it is there in this set. Rest copy everything. So it will be, it's a big set again. So it will be 1, 2, 3, it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11 and 12. This is how you have a long question related to this. Everything comes in that. You have to write the universal set, set A, B, A union B, A intersection B, A dash means A complement, B complement, A union B complement, A intersection B and complement of that. Number of elements in a set. Now if you see over here, you have to write the number of elements in the set. If you say A, okay, this is A is, write the number. So how many elements are there in the set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n of A means number of elements in the set A is 5. So you will write 5. What is n of B? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to write 6. What is n of A union B? N of A union B means number of all the elements of A union B. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B, there is only 2. Only 2 elements are common. So it is 2. You have to count. That is the meaning of n of. N of means number of. Now, the formula is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So n of A is 5, n of B is 6 minus n of A intersection B. So n of A intersection B is 2. So you will write 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, and 11 minus 2, that will be equal to 9. N of A union B, already I have written it as 9. That means this is correct. The formula is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now there are word problems related to the sums. So it is to the concept. In a class of 70 students, 45 students like to play cricket. Okay. 52 students like to play Kho-Kho. All the students like to play at least one of the 2 games. How many students like to play cricket or Kho-Kho? Okay. So there are total 70 students. So what you can write is n of A union B is equal to 70 total. Now out of that there are 45 who like to play cricket. So we'll symbolize cricket as n of A. Number of students who like to play cricket, n of A, is equal to 45. Now there are students who like to play Kho-Kho as well. So let us symbolize that B. Number of students who like to play Kho-Kho is equal to 52. Now how many students like to play cricket or Kho-Kho? That means we want to find the intersection, the common that we don't know. Okay, so let it be n of A intersection B is equal to x, because we don't know. Okay, now this total A is 45. So this part which is not including in the common part will be 45 minus x. Okay, who like to play only cricket is this part, not the common part. Now the ones who like to play the only Kho-Kho will be 52 minus x. Okay, x means common. So let's write the formula and let's try to solve it. So the formula is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B and minus n of A intersection B. So n of A intersection B will be, now you will have to write the formula, n of A union B is equal to 70, that is equal to n of A will be 45, n of B will be 52, n of A intersection B I don't know, I'll write it as x. So therefore 70 is equal to 45 plus 52. So it will be 97 minus x. Let that minus x be that side. 70, take that 97 this side, so it will be minus 97 is equal to minus x. So 70 minus 97. So the answer will be minus 27 is equal to minus x. Therefore the minus minus gets cancelled and the answer will be x is equal to 27. That means that the students who like to play, okay, the students who like to play cricket or Kho-Kho will be 27. Suppose the question is how many students like to play only cricket. So only cricket means this 45 minus x. So it will be 45 minus 27. So it will be 18. Okay, those who want to play only cricket, or those who want to play only, those who like to play only Kho-Kho will be 52 minus 27. Okay, so this is how you have to solve. You can either solve it by this formula method, Venn diagram also. Okay, you solve the formula, just substitute the values. You only have to understand what is given, whether it is A union B or A intersection B, and what has to be found out. So this was all about sets.